Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete search history on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your search history on Facebook, first open up the Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to delete your search history. And after landing on your Facebook account homepage, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a small three-lined icon. Just hang to our profile picture icon below the messenger icon. Tap on that three-line icon, and on this page guys, again at the top right corner there is the settings or the gear icon just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that settings icon, and over here guys scroll down until you can find the category of your activity, and which is this one. And on the first option you can see there is the activity log. Tap on that activity log, and over here guys, in order to go to our search history on Facebook, you'll be required to slide these options to the left, which says public post, public tag, story, activity. Swipe them to the left until you can find the search history option over here. Tap on search history, and all of the things you have searched on Facebook will be available over here. You can either particularly delete a search history or clear your searches all at once. You can see there is the clear searches button available over here. If you tap on it, you will be processed to clear all of the searches, but until the date. And if you want to clear a particular search history, tap on the right side where it says the three dotted icon, and tap on that three dotted icon, and the particularly you will be able to delete that search history, and tap on delete, and that will be deleted from your search history guys. So let's go back, let's refresh this, and you can see guys, your search history has been cleared. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.